In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fake an HDR image. Usually when you have a camera, you take a shot at a certain exposure value, and depending on the camera, it can then bracket that image. So in other words, it can take different shots at different exposure values, and this is called bracketing. And so basically an HDR image is a combination of all these exposure values, these different images. But if you've only got one image like we have here, and it's just set at one exposure value, you can fake it by basically duplicating this a couple of times, changing the layer, so make it darker, so underexposed, overexposed, and then combining them together. So here I've got a simple image, and I'm going to duplicate it twice. So just right mouse click on the layer name, and what I'm going to do is I will name one overexposed, and I will name the other underexposed. I'll hold the Alt key down and click on the eye for the overexposed. This will hide all the other layers, and I'll click on that layer. And now I want to overexpose this. So I'm going to use the levels. So I'll go to Image, Adjustments and Levels. And I'm going to make this overexposed. So basically bring the white value down, the white triangle down. I'm going to overexpose it. And if I want to, I can make other adjustments as well. The midpoint I'll change. I'll do OK. Then I'll Alt click on the underexposed and select that layer. Again, I'll go to Image, Adjustments and Levels. And in this case, I'm going to change the black point. I'm going to drag that up. And again, if I want to, I can change the midpoint as well. I'll do OK. And so what I've got now is I've got the original, I've got an underexposed and an overexposed version. And this is something some cameras can do automatically. As I said, it's called bracketing, but I faked it. So now I want to combine them together. And what I'm going to do now is in the overexposed layer, I'm going to add a layer mask. So at the bottom of the layers panel, I'll click on the layer mask here. So we've got a layer mask here, and I've selected the layer mask. I'll choose B for brush. I'm on the black foreground color, and what I want to do is I'm going to mask out the bits I don't want. So I'm basically going to mask out the person. So it's the background that's basically lighter. Then I'm going to Alt click on the middle layer, select the middle layer, do a layer mask first. There you go. Still on black, nice big brush. And so I'm going to mask out the bits I don't want to. In this case, I'm going to keep her main body I want, as you can see, shoulders, torso, etc. And now all I need to do is just show all the layers. So if I hide the top layer, there we go. And if I hide the middle layer, there you go. And obviously the background layer, which is the original. And basically I can do this by creating layer mask, and I can change the layer mask. I can adjust this in any way I want. And this is just a quick way of faking an HDR image.